So guys, if we want to prioritize back width, as you know, we obviously want to prioritize the lats, those massive big wings attached to your back there. So we're going to get this mostly through vertical pulling. Again, rows are great. I just made a video on rows if you want to check that out and the benefits of that for back thickness. But we really want to prioritize those vertical pulls. And there's also another muscle there that a lot of people don't talk about. You barely hear people mention it, but I think it's also very important. So what I like to stick to first as the main mover is your simple pull-up. I like to keep a more medium to narrow width grip for these. The elbows will line up better with the lats, so you'll be able to activate a bit more mid-lower lat here. Obviously upper lats being worked as well. But this is an awesome one to progressive overload on over time. So you start adding a weight belt, start adding some plates there, and as you see your strength increase on this, you will see your back width start to explode. This is the one that I built the majority of my mass from. Pull downs are also amazing. If you struggle to do body weight pull-ups, you can do virtually the exact same thing with a medium width, narrow width grip, just to really get that squeeze at the bottom on the lats and then get that really nice big length in at the top there. So guys, this other super important muscle I was talking about in the beginning of the video that is often overlooked is the teres major. So this is going to give you a lot of upper lat thickness, essentially. You can see on the diagram here labeled in red right where they sit. And this is a very important muscle if you want to have a wide back. It's really going to fill out, again, those upper lats there. So in order to isolate the teres major a little bit more, we want to go for a wider grip. I prefer pull downs for the wide grip. Again, pull-ups are great as well. Personally, I like to go super wide on the lat pull down and aiming for that sort of 15 to 20 reps. I like to do this after having done my weighted pull-ups just to really burn out and focus on feeling the muscle getting a really nice pump and obviously adding progressive overload over time. So it really is that simple, guys. The vertical pulls are the most important. But if we want to get more width from the front, as you can see here, another cool thing to target is the serratus anterior. So a little bit of a extra tidbit here for you guys. An awesome movement for this is the dumbbell pullover. Just again to create that width in the front, whether it's a front lat spread, front double bicep, and also essentially we're building the muscles surrounding the rib cage. So we're creating a wider diaphragm, essentially, wider torso. So the good thing about the dumbbell pullover is it's going to hit a lot of lats as well, similar to like a cable straight arm pull down. You're going to hit those lats really nice, going to hit long head of the tricep, and you're also going to target the serratus anterior. So a great one to chuck in right at the end, a couple sets of dumbbell pullover, and that 10 to 15 rep range is an awesome addition there. I think they were a bit of a gimmick when I first started training, but as I've advanced, I've actually learned they have a lot of benefit.